Hi Noses! Today I'm going to show you how to learn and describe perfumery ingredients. So everything that surrounds us is scented and we've got a very little awareness of it. How many of us as a consumer of fragrance are taking a scent and are describing this scent? So most consumer will not go beyond the I like it, I don't like it, this personal preference. But describing a scent is the basic and the key to learning about ingredients and learning about fragrances. So it's really by learning these descriptive words that you will eventually make the connection. And by doing this again and again and training your nose, then you will recognize that these bright, fresh, citrusy, zesty notes is in fact lemon. So you'll be surprised that actually not that many people recognize the smell of lemon or rose, which are simple smell, when they're not told what they are before they can smell it. And that comes mainly from the fact that we don't learn at school scent like we can learn colors, for instance. So I would like to smell with you today a simple smell. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I'm going to unveil only once I've gone through the descriptor. So in order to describe and learn about a smell, you take a scent strip, which are these pieces of paper that you find in any shops. So scent strips are essentially papers that are specifically used for perfumery. And you take the ingredients that you want to learn, do not look at what it is, and try to really explore the facets that are made, that for you jumps out. So these ingredients for me is a floral note. I can smell something very petally. I can smell something also very honey-like. And I think the honey is quite a specific very specific characteristic of this ingredient. It's also powdery, so it smells a little bit kind of like classic floral notes. And I can detect as well some slightly gentle spiciness, almost like a clove actually. And it's almost kind of soft and sweet, but never goes into this cakey smell. So almost like more like fruity plum. So I find this ingredient is an incredible ingredient. It's a great natural ingredient. And this is Rose Absolute. So Rose Absolute, how many of you will smell rose without really thinking beyond the name that is rose, with the word that is rose? And rose is so faceted. Rose has a few hundred scented molecules that compose the natural extract that is rose. So you can only see through that the complexity of rose. You also have different type of extract of rose. You have rose essential oil versus rose absolute. So the one that I've described now is quite ambery and quite honey and quite sweet. And this is characteristic of the rose absolute. So rose absolute is a type of extraction of rose, which is different to the distillation, which from which we can obtain the rose essential oil. So rose will also be made, the natural extract will also be made of so many molecules. And you find these scented molecules in other ingredients. We can find citronellol and geraniol in rose extract. We can find PEA as well, which is one of the most component that you find in absolute rose. You can find rose oxide. And all of these individual scented molecules can be used as individual ingredients by perfumers. So by using this natural combination of scented molecules, by using this natural extract, then all together you can create incredibly beautiful creative ideas in perfumery. And it all starts by the study and the learning of ingredients. So know your ingredients and you will know how to compose with them.
I wanna go out tonight. Aussie fragrance